In the realm where time converges, or the new hand in hand emerges, the new generations with vibrant zest, teaching technology, innovation at its best. The old generations with wisdom's grace, imparting ethics, morals to embrace. The symphony of knowledge, a beautiful blend, as the two generations learn and ascend. Together they forge a path anew, building a future strong and true. With unity as the guiding light, they weave a tapestry shining bright. Together strong and true, with unity as a guiding light, and weave a tapestry shining bright. With every step, a bond grows deep, a team so strong, their promises they keep. In harmony, they rise and dream, creating a world that gleams. So let us celebrate the power we possess, as all new generations coalesce. Hand in hand we'll shape our fate, with love, compassion, strength innate. Together they forge a path anew, building a future strong and true. With unity as a guiding light, then weave a tapestry shining bright. Together, they forge a path anew, building a future. Together, they forge a path anew, building a future strong and true. With unity as a guiding light, then weave a tapestry shining bright. Together, they forge a path anew, building a future tapestry shining bright.